देखो 17 को what are 17 to so good morning to all. So now acidic character, today we are going to discuss acidic nature of carboxylic acids and aromatic compounds. Acidic nature of aromatic acids, aromatic carboxylic acids, carboxylic acids. Acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids. Acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids. चलो ये aromatic carboxylic acids में very important thing is R2 effect. R2 effect है. अच्छा R2 effect only observed in carboxylic aromatic carboxylic acids only. R2 effect है. We discuss R2 effect later, but I will tell the statement है R2 effect में R2 substituted carboxylic acid है COH. अच्छा ये R2 पोजीशन में इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्राइंग ग्रुप కావచ్చు और इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप కావచ్చు. R2 పొజిషన్ లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ గాని ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ గాని ఏ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నా సరే more acidic character then benzoic acid, अच्छा which is a more acidic character when compared to either meta or para position में electron donating group है. either meta and para position में electron donating. देखो carboxylic acid sir, R2 substituted carboxylic acid sir, more acidic character, this acidic nature order है. This acidic nature order है. So this called R2 effect है. R2 substituted carboxylic acid, whether R2 पोजीशन में इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्राइंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग है. These are called bulky groups बोलते हैं. Bulky groups on R2 position. Acidic nature of carboxylic acid increases. This is called R2 effect. This R2 effect because of two factors. This R2 effect because of two factors. One is a SIR factor. One is SIR factor. What do you mean by SIR? अच्छा ये previous slide में here except you can write acceptor. Here acceptor, this group is acceptor, accept amino group and somewhere methoxy group है. Except these two groups है. Remaining case में R2 में electron withdrawing है, electron donating है, whatever may be carboxylic acid acidic character increases one. देखो what is here SIR effect है. This R2 effect because of two factors है. SIR effect है. What is SIR? Steric inhibition of resonance. SIR means steric inhibition of resonance. Steric inhibition of resonance. चलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल है. अच्छा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड विंटे के कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है. अच्छा C डबल बॉन्ड वो OH. देखो these are all same plane only. This benzene ring and COH is same plane only. सेम प्लेन में रेजोनेंस इज पॉसिबल है। देखो रेजोनेंस है, सपोज यहाँ लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ माइग्रेट हुआ like this. Shall I write the structure of above the compound? अच्छा, CO minus double bond OH, here positive charge. अच्छा, inside the ring देखो ये वाला, ये inside the ring है। Now if suppose these two are in same plane है, now one more resonance is also possible there. One more resonance is also possible. क्या resonance है ये वाला ऐसा, and that means again electron is back to oxygen. Whenever electron is back to oxygen, proton is reluctant to release. Very difficult to release the proton. Very difficult to release the proton. A little bit carboxylic acid decreases only. Now suppose this group is out of plane. देखो. Now any bulky group, whether electron releasing, electron donating, any bulky group, put an ortho position. Any bulky group put an ortho position. Any group, अच्छा one group है. Any group, either electron withdrawing group, electron releasing group, put an ortho position. Then because of this, no repulsions are maximum. Because inter-electronic repulsions are. Inter-repulsions are possible. Because of this repulsion, this molecule go out of plane only. Because of the repulsion, this molecule go out of plane only. Out of plane only. Whenever out of plane, and this is not possible. Whenever out of plane, this is not possible. And then positive charge oxygen में proton easily can release only. That's why it is a more acidic character only. That's why all those, whether this group is electron withdrawing or electron donating doesn't matter. Since so whenever these bulky groups are present, because of inter-repulsions are possible between these two, so this go for out of plane. Whenever out of plane, this plane electron migration is very difficult. So more electropositive element carrying positive charge, then proton comes out very easily. This proton comes out very easily. Then a more acidic character. That's why this is called steric inherence. It's like SIR factor and all. Steric inhibition of resonance. Because of steric factor, resonance is inhibited only. Because of inhibition of resonance, proton comes out very easily. That's why ortho substituted carboxylic acids are more acidic than general carboxylic acid, normal carboxylic acid only. This is applicable to only aromatic carboxylic acid only, like benzoic acid only. So this is one of the reason for ortho effect is SIR reason only. Actually, one more reason also I am telling you. One more reason also I am telling you. One more reason है. One more reason है. देखो एक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, यहाँ OH, ऑर्थो पोजीशन में OH. अच्छा बताओ, अच्छा if SIR only factor responsible for more acidic character of ortho compound, then ये कौन according to SIR कनका fact only factor कनका इते SIR only factor इते, because it is a more steric inherence है, more bulky group है when compared to this one. So bulky nature increases, this go out of plane very easily, proton comes out very easily. According to SIR, this is a more acidic character होना चाहिए. This is more acidic character होना चाहिए. कहानी मनी తెలుసు ఓకే దీనికి యానే అని రాద్దాం. When stability means acidic character also decided by is anion also. దీనికి యానే అని రాద్దాం. This anion రాస్తాను. This anion O minus. अच्छा anion, this anion is more stable because of ion bonding. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ యానయాన్ రాస్తే యానయాన్ మధ్య హైడ్రోజన్ బాండింగ్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ లేదు కదా, దీని యానయాన్ రాస్తాను సార్. సరే here this is anion, here OH, this is called hydrogen bonding, but here I am writing anion. For this anion there is no hydrogen bonding, for this anion there is no hydrogen bonding. Here there is no hydrogen bonding, no hydrogen bonding. Acha, which this anion is most stable? This anion is most stable. Acha, if this anion is most stable, then it is a more acidic hona chahiye. But according to SIR factor, this is more acidic. But according to the hydrogen bonding factor, anion factor is most stable. That's why not only SIR, but also one more factor, electronic factor. Acha, second factor is electronic factor. Acha, electronic factor. Electronic factor. Electronic factors also responsible. That means ortho effect, ortho substituted benzoic acids are more acidic than benzoic acid region because of two factors. One is SIR, due to SIR factor, and due to electronic factor. Actually, your NCERT textbook also given these two factors, SIR factor and electronic factor. Why ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid region is SIR. SIR means steric inhibition of resonance, and electronic factor maybe hydrogen bonding and maybe van der Waals force, this is called electronic factor. Because of this region, ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. Ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. So we'll discuss some examples. We'll discuss some examples. Acha, before example, we might understand whenever plus M group, plus I group, hyperconjugation increases, acidic nature decreases. Plus M group కానీ plus I group కానీ hyperconjugation కానీ increase అయితే acidic nature decrease అవుతుంది. Reverse minus M group కానీ minus I కానీ or reverse hyperconjugation increases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature, these two factors are we are going to discuss applications. Plus M group increases, acidic nature decreases, minus M group increases, acidic nature increases. चलो एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए, अच्छा एक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, देखो एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है। अच्छा ये मैंने 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप लिखा है, ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, Here also isopropyl group है. And carboxylic acid over here. Only carboxylic acid है. And carboxylic acid है. Video रहा है. Carboxylic acid है. Carboxylic acid है. अच्छा methyl group हो गया. Which is a more acidic character? Here suppose I go for numbering. I go for numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is a more acidic character? देखो order of acidic character कैसा है? Order of acidic character. इसका order ज्यादा है acidic character. अच्छा we know ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. Whether it is a electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group. अच्छा 1 to 3rd में bulkiness is more है. 3rd compound में bulkiness more है. देखो यहाँ 3rd compound में bulkiness bulky groups are more है. More bulky groups हैं. More bulky groups means 3 is more acidic character. Then ortho second also ortho. Second में bulky groups 2 हैं. First one is also ortho. And the fourth one देखो ortho substituted, this is ortho, this is also ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. So now here methyl group is in meta position में methyl group है. Meta position में methyl group है. A plus I group है. Plus I group increases, acidic character decreases only. So least is 5 least is 5 देख लीजिए. Least is 5 Plus side means ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic है. ये ortho, ये भी ortho, ये but ये which ortho position में bulky groups are more है. In this bulky groups are more. जैसे bulky groups हैं, right? So one more example. One more example. COH. COH and OH. यहाँ COH. Suppose I go for here. This A, B, C. अच्छा, among A, B, C, which is a more acidic character? Among A, B, C, which is a more acidic character? अच्छा, obviously देखो B is ortho effect है, because ortho position में B is ortho effect है. Ortho carboxylic acid more acidic है, so B is सबसे ज्यादा. Now देखो A and C. अच्छा देखो ये वाला COH which is near to this COH है, near to the COH है, nothing but more minus I group है, so that means A is greater. अच्छा this COH is away from this groups, all these groups only. The distance increases, minus I effect also decreases only. Closer to the function group is acidic character increases only. So BAC, this is correct order of acidic character. Correct order of acidic character. Note करो. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है. एक और एग्जांपल है. ये COOH है. ये COH. This is X and this is Y. Which is a more acidic character? For your kind of information, In previous class, we discussed about the aliphatic carboxylic acid acidic character. So here in X and Y, for your kind of information, aromatic carboxylic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acids. So this aromatic, X is aromatic acid, Y is aliphatic acid. So X is greater than Y1. X greater than Y1. Then X is greater than Y1. Right? चलो. Next. चलो एक और एप्लीकेशन है. ओके. अच्छा, R2 क्लोरो मेटा क्लोरो पैरा क्लोरो and benzoic acid. अच्छा, numbering is given like number is given A, B, C, D. Which is a more acidic character? A, B, C, D. अच्छा देखो, here for your kind information, R2 substituted है. देखो R2 substituted है. Whether it is electron withdrawing group, electron releasing group है. R2 substituted carboxylic acid more acidic only. मतलब ये सबसे ज्यादा है. And one more point you remember over here. One more point है, halogens के लिए, for halogens है, both minus I plus M both are there, but minus I is dominant, always dominant. अच्छा, मेटा क्वेश्चन में only minus I. पैरा क्वेश्चन में, ऑर्थो पैरा क्वेश्चन में plus M minus I है. देखो, plus M group increases, acidic nature decreases only. So among B and C, which is a more, B में only minus I, C में plus M minus I, so B is more है. B में only minus I increases है, acidic character increases है. अच्छा, C में plus M minus I, but dominant is minus I only. That's why C is, and the least is a D. अच्छा, A, B, C, D, the what correct sequence only order. Right, चलो एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए. अच्छा, एस Cl है, यहाँ फ्लोरीन है, यहाँ ब्रोमीन है, यहाँ आयोडीन है, देखो ये सिर्फ बेंजोइक एसिड, देखो बेंजोइक एसिड, सॉरी, देखो all are meta position, all are para position, all are ortho position, doesn't matter only. But देखो, these are all minus I effect ना, these are minus I effect ना, all these are minus I effect ना. So halogens के लिए plus M minus I, but which is dominating, minus I dominating. But factor here, d orbital resonance is maximum. That I explain, d orbital resonance. In case of phenols also same order, there I can explain. D orbital resonance is maximum only. So whenever d orbital resonance is maximum, then I go for the whole A, B, C, D and E. So सबसे ज्यादा D है, then C, then C, then B, then A, and the least is E1. रीजन इन फ्लोरीन में नो वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल है, नो वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल है, बट फ्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन में वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल है. वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल में रेजोनेंस इज पॉसिबल, हियर फ्लोरीन में रेजोनेंस इज नॉट पॉसिबल है. So that's why fluorine cannot form d orbital resonance है. That's why these are more stable. Whenever stable resonance, number of resonance increases, anion is more stable only. Right? चलो नोट करो. d orbital. अच्छा चलो एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए. Not only para position है, ये halogens present ortho position also, meta position also, same sequence order only. अच्छा एक बेंजोइक एसिड है, एक NO2 है, एक COOH है, आप दूसरा COOH यहां लिखना, एंड सल्फोनिक एसिड है. सल्फोनिक एसिड. अच्छा numbering is given like this. Numbering is A, B, C, D is given, which is a more acidic character. For the kind of information, if minus M effect or minus I effect increases, acidic nature increases. Minus M effect or minus I effect increases, acidic nature increases. Now देखो ये acidic nature में देखो फॉर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन ये माइनस एम का ऑर्डर है, यहाँ माइनस एम का ऑर्डर है, मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स होते हैं माइनस एम अंडर, माइनस एम का ऑर्डर है. अच्छा SO3H मोर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर देन NO2 देन COH. दिस इज ऑर्डर ऑफ सीक्वेंस ऑफ माइनस एम ग्रुप है. SO3H because sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid only. Inorganic acids are more acidic than organic acids also. चलो then what is the order is D सबसे ज्यादा है because more minus है, more minus M effect है. Then इसके बाद B है, then उसके बाद C है, then ये में कोई minus M ग्रुप नहीं है, ये सिर्फ only carboxylic acid only. So acidic character increases like this one. चलो next, shall I go for one more application for you? Another application for you. Another application is for another application. अच्छा एक बेंजोइक एसिड है, ऑर्थो पोजीशन में OH है, ऑर्थो पोजीशन में OH है, मेटा पोजीशन में OH है, मेटा पोजीशन में OH है, पैरा पोजीशन में OH है, पैरा पोजीशन में OH है, ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा पोजीशन में OH है. नाउ देखता है. अच्छा we know for a kind of information ऑर्थो सब्स्टिट्यूटेड ऑर्थो इफेक्ट है, ऑर्थो इफेक्ट కాబట్టి సపోజ్ देखो for A B C D అనుకున్నాను. ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ కాబట్టి ఆర్థో ఐసోమర్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ కాబట్టి अच्छा ఫస్ట్ B అనేది మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ అంటాం. దెన్ చూడండి OH గ్రూప్ కనుక మెటాలా ఉంటే -I, OH గ్రూప్ కనుక పారాలా ఉంటే +M. సింపుల్. OH గ్రూప్ కనుక ఎప్పుడైనా OH గ్రూప్స్ కనుక ఆర్థో పారాలా ఉంటే +M, మెటాలా ఉంటే -I గ్రూప్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి +M గ్రూప్ పెరిగితే ఎసిడిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ తగ్గుతుంది కాబట్టి అన్నిటికన్నా లీస్ట్ D ఉండాలి, అన్నిటికన్నా లీస్ట్ D ఉండాలి బికాస్ +M గ్రూప్ డిక్రీజ్ ఎసిడిక్ క్యారెక్టర్. ఇప్పుడు దాని మెటా పొజిషన్ లో -I ఉంది కాబట్టి C ఇస్ గ్రేటర్. अच्छा A లో మనకి ఏమి లేవు కాబట్టి A. अच्छा B ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ బికాజ్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ है. C లో -I గ్రూప్ ఉంది కాబట్టి C है, A లో ఏ గ్రూప్ లేదు కాబట్టి A నా, D లో +M ఉంది కాబట్టి తగ్గుతుంది. when compared to carboxylic acid acidic nature decrease అవుతుంది. So this is correct order of the acidic character. अच्छा very simple, I have to follow the simple ऑर्थो इफेक्ट. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है, एक और एग्जांपल है. अच्छा देखो ये एक्सेप्शनल केस है, आप मैंने बता दिया आपको एक्सेप्शनल केस है. अच्छा बेंजोइक एसिड है, बेंजोइक एसिड है। अच्छा मेटा पोजिशन में NH2 है। अच्छा आर्थो पोजिशन में NH2 है। अच्छा पैरा पोजिशन में NH2, पैरा पोजिशन में NH2, पैरा पोजिशन में NH2 देखो। अच्छा NH2 కనుక ఇంతకుముందు OH లానే NH2 కనుక మెటా పొజిషన్ లో ఉంటే మైనస్ అయ్యి, अच्छा NH2 पैरा पोजिशन में ఉంటే प्लस है। अच्छा काउंट 1 2 3 4 मैंने नंबरिंग दिया 1 2 3 4 है। अच्छा 1 2 3 4 ये among 1 2 3 4 which is a more acidic character है, more acidic character है। देखो where minus I 2 1 minus I ఒక దానిలోనే ఉంది। अच्छा ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ చూద్దాం, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేద్దాం। ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసు అని చెప్పుకున్నాను, ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేద్దాం। ఇక్కడ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే 3 అవ్వాలి, బట్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉండదు ఇక్కడ ఎనిలిన్ లో, ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసు చెప్పుకున్నాను ఎనిలిన్ లో। अच्छा 2 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్, ఇది ప్లస్ m కాబట్టి ఎందుకంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి లీస్ట్ ఈజ్ 4। अच्छा highest is 2, 1 3 లో కంపేర్ చేద్దాం, 1 3 లో కంపేర్ చేద్దాం। ఇక్కడ 3 కాంపౌండ్ లో there is a formation of beta ions। अच्छा మీరు ఇమ్యూనో యాసిడ్ బయాలజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కాబట్టి ఇమ్యూనో యాసిడ్ చదివి ఉంటారు, there is chance of formation of beta ions। अच्छा beta ions డైపోలర్ అయాన్ అంటారు, beta ions, beta ion ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ప్రోటాన్ అనేది బయటికి ఏం రాదు, ప్రోటాన్ బయటకు వస్తే కదా యాసిడ్ అనేది। ఇక్కడ beta ion కాబట్టి ప్రోటాన్ అనేది బయటకు రావడం చాలా కష్టం when compared to this one। సో కాబట్టి మనకి ఈవెన్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ కన్నా కూడా ఆర్థో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ లెస్ ఉంటుంది ఎనిలిన్ లో। రీజన్ ఇస్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ beta ions ఓన్లీ। ఇది ఒక్కటే ఎక్సెప్షన్ కేసు అని చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం। సో ఎక్సెప్షన్ కేసు రావడానికి ఎక్కువ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 1 దీని తర్వాత 3 అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 4। రీజన్ వై యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి కదా, ఆర్థో సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ వెదర్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిలీజింగ్ కావచ్చు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ కావచ్చు, ఇది ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి కానీ బట్ it is having a least when compared to benzoic acid. The reason is because of formation of beta ion, proton is reluctant to donate a proton only. So migration will take place, intramolecular migration will take place only. Proton cannot be released out because of formation of beta ions, dipolar ion only. So this is the correct order of sequence only. So carboxylic acid, particularly aromatic carboxylic acid acidic nature very simple. If you understand the Ardo effect, Ardo substituted carboxylic acid are more acidic except amine group than remaining carboxylic acids. Minus m plus m, remember minus m increases acidic character decreases, plus m increases acidic character decreases. Now you can go for phenol because secondary complete secondary intermediate secondary chapter syllabus mein phenol and carboxylic acid mein they may ask the questions according to acidic character. So carboxylic acid is over, then I go for phenols. So phenol mein there is no Ardo effect. Phenol is very easy when compared to this. Phenol is very easy. अच्छा एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ फिनोल्स देख लीजिए, एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ फिनोल्स, एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ फिनोल्स, एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ फिनोल्स, एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ फिनोल्स। अच्छा देखो फिनोल्स में, अच्छा इन फिनोल देयर इज नो ऑर्थो इफेक्ट। In phenol there is no ortho effect. Ortho effect is only applicable to carboxylic acid, like aromatic carboxylic acid only. Phenol में ortho effect रायगुडु, but remaining points are same as carboxylic acid only. What is remaining point? Minus m गानी, minus I गानी increase అయితే acidic nature increase అవుతుంది। अच्छा plus m गानी అయితే plus I गानी increase అయితే acidic character decrease అవుతుంది। The same concept also usually over here. See for example, अच्छा phenol अच्छा ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनोल, ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनोल, ऑर्थो पोजिशन, ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनोल, because there is no ortho effect, ortho nitrophenol. अच्छा, I go for meta and para also. Meta nitrophenol, para nitrophenol, para nitrophenol, ortho nitrophenol, para nitrophenol. अच्छा, ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं आपको, no problem at all here. देखो all NO2 groups are, NO2 groups is nothing but minus M group है. So generally when compared to phenol, all these remaining में acidic character increases. NO2 is a minus M group है, కాబట్టి. So when compared to phenol, all are acidic character है. But which is more acidic है? ऑर्थो पोजीशन में ना, मेटा पोजीशन में ना. देखो मेटा पोजीशन में, in meta position it is only minus I, only minus I meta position में. अच्छा, ऑर्थो पोजीशन में there is a chance for hydrogen bonding is there. So more electron withdrawing capacity at para position है. Para position में minus M increases हो रहा है. Para position में here also minus M only, no doubt here also only minus M है. But meta position లో ఉంటే ప్లస్ అయినో మైనస్ అయినా ఉండాలి, అంతేకాని ప్లస్ ఎమ్ మైనస్ ఎమ్ ఉండదు మెటా పొజిషన్. ఆర్థో పారా పొజిషన్ లోనే ప్లస్ ఎమ్ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది. మైనస్ ఎమ్ పెరిగితే ఎసిడిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెరగాలి. సో చూడండి మనకి కంపేర్ టు దిస్ ఇస్ 1, సపోజ్ 1 2 3 4, 1 తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 3 మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ NO2 గ్రూప్ ఇస్ దేర్. దెన్ విచ్ ఇస్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ మీన్స్ మోర్ మైనస్ ఎమ్ ఇస్ వేర్ fourth is more acidic. And इसके बाद minus M effect is 2. Then whereas it is not a minus M, minus I. 3. अच्छा, one. Other kind of information on effect low mesomeric effect is a more effective than hyperconjugation than inductive effect. So inductive effect is less effective when compared to mesomeric effect. That's why 4 is a more acidic character than 2, then 3, then 1. So very simple. एक और example है. If you know carboxylic acid acidic character, phenol acidic character, it seems to be very easy for you. Very easy for you. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए. अच्छा, एक और एग्जांपल है. अच्छा, यह वो है ऑर्थो पोजीशन में, देयर इज नो ऑर्थो इफेक्टिव फिनोल. ये वो है पैरा पोजीशन में वो है. अच्छा, ओनली फिनोल. अच्छा, नंबरिंग इज गिवन लाइक 1 2 3 4. which is a more acidic character? देखो ऑर्थो पोजीशन में, ये ऑर्थो पोजीशन में प्लस एम, राइट. पैरा पोजीशन में प्लस एम, बट मेटा पोजीशन में माइनस आई. ओनली ऑर्गेनिक ग्रुप्स है प्लस आई है, रिमेनिंग ऑल आर माइनस आई ग्रुप्स ओनली मेटा पोजीशन. अच्छा देखो, माइनस आई ग्रुप इंक्रीज द स्टेबिलिटी, इंक्रीज द एसिडिक कैरेक्टर ओनली. मतलब ये 2 इज ग्रेटर ओनली. 2 में ओनली माइनस एम है, माइनस है, रिमेनिंग में प्लस एम है. मोर प्लस एम इफेक्ट लेस एसिडिक कैरेक्टर. मोर प्लस एम इंक्रीजेस, एसिडिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीजेस. अच्छा, मोर प्लस एम इफेक्ट वेयर इन पैरा पोजीशन में मोर प्लस एम इफेक्ट है. सो 3, सॉरी लीस्ट. अच्छा चलो, नाउ फिनोल है. because when compared to phenol, plus M group decrease the acidic character of phenol. So plus M groups are there 1 and 3 में, where more plus M effect 3 में. So this order is 1 and 3. This is correct order of acidic character. अच्छा, remember plus M increases, acidic character decreases. Plus M is more at para position. अच्छा, मेटा पोजीशन में no, there is no plus M, minus I group है. अच्छा 1 and 3 में both केस में प्लस हम है, so एसिटिक एसिड डिक्रीज व्हेन कंपेयर टू फिनॉल. So phenol is greater, 4 is greater when compared to 1 and 3 only. But second में minus I increase the acidic character of the phenol form. एक और एग्जांपल है, अच्छा क्लोरीन R2 पोजीशन में, मेटा पोजीशन में, पैरा पोजीशन में, अच्छा ओनली फिनॉल, अच्छा नंबरिंग इज गिवन 1 2 3 4. अच्छा for your kind information halogens are plus m ఉంటుంది minus I ఉంటుంది, which is dominant, minus I is dominant, whether ortho para portion minus m is dominant. Whenever minus m is dominant, then for a kind of information we know alpha beta gamma position में, for example this kind of positions are previously we discussed it. See this kind of questions, one check. This kind of question है, चलो this kind of question means ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है अल्फा बीटा गामा, ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है अल्फा बीटा गामा, ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है अल्फा बीटा गामा. सपोज क्लोरीन इज अवे फ्रॉम फंक्शन ग्रुप Cl here अल्फा पोजीशन में, ये बीटा पोजीशन में, ये गामा पोजीशन में. सो फॉर दिस अल्फा इज ग्रेटर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर देन बीटा देन गामा. Alpha beta gamma, this alpha is more acidic than beta than gamma. Similarly distance factor है, ये distance factor dominating है. अच्छा R2 near है, meta para dismiss means 1 greater than 2 greater than 3 greater than 4 1. distance देखो R2 में, meta में, para में distance increase हो रहा है, like alpha beta gamma, just like alpha beta gamma, because all are minus effect only dominating only. So whenever minus effect only dominating, then this is correct order only. If alpha is more acidic than beta than gamma, similarly this is not correct. Because halogens के लिए remember, always remember minus effect only dominating, right? Minus effect only dominating. चलो. I said previously also carboxylic acid में fluorocarboxylic acid etc. suppose. Sorry, here phenol. अच्छा fluorine. Suppose I will take chlorine. अच्छा previously also I explained this. Fluorine, bromine, iodine. अच्छा which is a more acidic character? More acidic. अच्छा చెప్పు నాకు రీజన్ d orbital resonance है. d orbital resonance. See for example here lone pair is migrating over here. This is possible na? Okay, shall I write one structure for this one structure? So many resonance structures are possible. I go for one structure here. Chalo. Suppose these electrons are migrating over here, and these electrons are migrating here. These electrons are migrating. Only one structure I am writing over here. देखो ऐसा, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज है, यहाँ फ्लोरीन है, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, O plus. This is structure of this one. Similarly, I am also doing same funda here. Lone pair है ये वाला, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ, सेम फंडा. So नेगेटिव चार्ज है, Cl है, डबल बॉन्ड, ये there is no difference है. अच्छा, why this chloro is a more acidic when compared to this one? Here is 2p orbital है, here also 2p orbital. No TD, already 2p overlapping is over. There is no resonance for this. And vacant this absence of d orbital in fluorine. But chlorine में vacant d orbital है. Vacant d orbital है. So vacant d orbital में ये दोनों के बीच में resonance है. Vacant d orbital and negative charge में resonance है. Whenever resonance, molecule is more stable. Whenever this molecule is more stable, proton comes out very easily. So proton comes out very easily only. Then that's the reason why because of d orbital resonance, chlorobenzene is more acidic. Of course, bromobenzene is more acidic. Hydrobenzene is more acidic than this one. Same also we studied in carboxylic acid. Why chlorobenzene? Because of d orbital resonance only. Note color. What is d orbital resonance? Here d orbital resonance is possible. D orbital resonance is possible. But here d orbital resonance is not because of absence of d orbital. Absence of d orbital. So like, sure. अच्छा चलो एक और है. अच्छा there is no ortho effect. अच्छा, there is no ortho effect है. अच्छा फिनोल है. अच्छा पिक्रिक एसिड इज मोर एसिडिक अमंग द फिनोल्स में. OCH3 मेटा पोजीशन में अच्छा पैरा पोजीशन में and only phenols. Only phenol. Here there is no ortho effect है. Phenol में there is no ortho effect है. Only carboxylic acid में ortho effect है. So numbering is given like numbering is given A B C D. देखो ये लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑर्थो लो ఉంటే ప్లస్ m है, पैरा लो उन्ना प्लस m है, बट मेटा लो ఉంటే మైనస్ i అనుకున్నాం. एक्सेप्ट आगे ग्रुप అయితే ప్లస్ i గ్రూప్. अच्छा obviously प्लस i is minus i is more acidic than remaining one. So ఇక్కడ మనకి C అనేది మైనస్ i కాబట్టి more acidic అంటాం. Then A మరి ఈ రెండు ఉన్నాయి. ప్లస్ m అనేది ఆర్థోలో ఉంది, పారాలో ఉంది. ప్లస్ m is more for para position. Plus m is always more in para position. So more plus m ఉంటే least acidic electron, more minus m ఉంటే more acidic electron. అంటే least ఎవరు ఉంటారు? D ఉంటారు. ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు? D, C, A, B etc. D. సిమిలర్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఎనిలిన్ గ్రూప్ కావచ్చు, OH3 కావచ్చు, Cl కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. ఏది ప్లస్ m ఏది మైనస్ m ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే acidic electron very easy for you. Compulsory question, they may ask the question. One question is compulsory in need examination. Acidic electron में question or basic electron में question compulsory. Tomorrow we are going to discuss basic electron also. अच्छा चलो, I will conclude one more application. In one more application. अच्छा this is malic acid है, cis isomer. This fumaric acid है trans isomer. Fumaric acid and trans acid. अच्छा, among these which is more acidic है? मी चले उन्टा property law. Cis isomer is more acidic than trans isomer. चले उन्टा. The reason is suppose ఇక్కడ proton కనుక బయటకు వస్తే, proton కనుక బయటకు వస్తే, now this is stabilized by resonance. Stabilized by resonance. Nothing but is hydrogen bonding is also possible ना? Anion. Anion रास्ते ने anion रास्ते. After the writing is anion, this is nothing but a stabilized because of hydrogen bonding only. Like hydrogen bonding chelation is possible only. 6-member ring is possible, more stable only. So easily can donate a proton only, more acidic character. But take दोनों group opposite times away from each other. Suppose after the releasing one proton also, there is no conjugation, there is no ring formation, there is no hydrogen bonding only. So cis isomer is always greater than trans isomer. Acidic character of cis is always greater than trans isomer. अच्छा देखो, acidic character is over. Tomorrow I will go for basic nature of the amino, particularly amines law. Nitrogen compound law basic character also very important. So tomorrow I will finish almost all GOC, almost all GOC. Next week I will complete all lessons on chapter wise lesson, important lesson I will start. Thank you.